Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger couldn't send the message problem. If you're unable to send message on Messenger, first thing is check your internet. Because sometimes due to slow internet as well, it causes this problem. So if your internet is still not the problem, then the next thing is check if Messenger server is down or not. Because sometimes their servers are down, which causes Messenger to not work properly, so your messages could not be sent as well. For that, you can go on any browser and search for Messenger down detector. Search for that. After you search for this, what you want to do is click on the option called down detector, and it's going to tell you if Messenger is down or not. So it says user report indicates no problem with Facebook Messenger, which means there is no problem with Messenger. So the main problem is with our device. But if it had said yes, there was a problem, then the server was down and we just had to wait until they fix the server. But since it's not the problem with the server, it's problem with our device, the second thing we can do is check for update. So go to your App Store or Play Store if it's Android or iOS and just search for Messenger to see if there's any update or not. And if it shows you update, click on update to update it. But my says open, that means my Messenger is up to date. And even after updating your Messenger, if your problem is still not fixed, then the last option is just delete your Messenger app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes this problem, so deleting and reinstalling the app should fix your issue. So hope you understand on how you guys can fix Messenger couldn't send the message problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, want to step for future